Thank you for taking the time to look at our inventory today. Today we'll be going over the 372 RK Alliance Paradigm. A couple things that you're going to notice is that there's a large storage compartment, large basement with enclosed shower and all your additional features for cleaning and things like that as well for the unit. You're going to see that there's a nice large compartment for a generator setup, and we'll go ahead and go inside and take a look at what all options it comes with. It's a 41 foot. Once you walk into the coach, the first thing that you're going to notice is that there's steps that take you right up to the room. Okay, and on the left hand side you're going to have the living area with the rear kitchen. The nice thing about this layout is that they have slides on the opposite side, which gives you a large open area in the living room. You're going to have a slide with a couch and a table. On the opposite side you're going to have another slide with another couch, giving you a nice area and where you can hang out and really enjoy the time while you're out traveling and camping. One thing that you also see in the living area is going to be there's a really nice fireplace with the stereo, and then also a really nice TV to be able to enjoy anytime you travel. So once we walk to the back of the coach, you're going to see that it has a nice separate kitchen area. Okay, it's lots of counter space. There's a lot of cabinets for storage, and then also a really nice large refrigerator for fitting groceries and anything that you need while you're traveling. Once you come up to the front, you go up these steps. Immediately to the left hand side, you're going to see that you have a nice large closet, right directly across from the bathroom. Makes it nice for them to be able to put your towels or clothes, anything that you need right in that area. As you can see that this bathroom is nice and large, lots of space with a stand-up shower. Okay, and then there's also a bench for you to be able to sit down and really enjoy your shower and getting cleaned up for the next day, or as you're traveling. As you can see also, once we walk into the bedroom, lots of room to walk around, a nice king size bed. So when you want to go and get some rest, you got a lot of space. You're going to be extremely comfortable, and with the TV set up right in front of it. So really nice setup right in the room. Another thing you're going to notice is that there's ample space for closet, so hanging clothes, putting your shoes away, all that stuff. There's a lot of room. I can't emphasize how much nice storage this particular coach has. Okay, so it also comes with the nice mirror in the closet, so if somebody's going to be in the bathroom getting ready, it's not going to be like you're can't get ready, because you have a mirror right there as well to be able to make sure everything's going good. So as you can see, it also comes equipped with some nice LED lighting throughout the whole inside of the coach. So at night, or in the mornings, you'll be able to really light up the coach and have good visibility inside. Okay, this unit's going to come with 3 air conditioning. So throughout the whole coach is going to be nice and cool, and then also has no vents in the floor, making it nice so nothing's getting trapped in the vents. Once again, my name is Gaston. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory. My phone number is 541-810-2202. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and I'll have any answer that you have. Any questions that you have answered for you. Thank you.